lovers and adventure seekers. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey to explore the wonderful world of bears. Bears are like the kings of the wilderness, and they've captured our imagination for generations. Are you ready for this exciting wildlife adventure? Fantastic! Join us for the next 5 minutes as we discover the amazing world of bears. Our bear adventure begins with an introduction to these amazing creatures. Bears are like the gentle giants of the animal kingdom. There are several species, like the grizzly bear, polar bear, panda bear, and many more, each with its unique features and habitats. Now, let's explore the habitats of bears. Bears are like true survivors, adapting to a variety of environments. You'll find them in forests, mountains, tundras, and even the Arctic. They're experts at finding food and shelter in these diverse landscapes. Time to dig into the bear diet. Bears are like skilled foragers and hunters. They have a varied diet, including berries, fish, nuts, and even seals for some species. Bears need to eat a lot to prepare for hibernation during the winter months. Let's uncover the mysteries of bear hibernation. Bears are like nature's experts in surviving harsh winters. They enter a deep sleep, conserving energy and living off their fat reserves. It's an incredible survival strategy. Our journey concludes with the importance of bear conservation. Bears are like ambassadors for our wild world. They're often at risk due to habitat loss and climate change. We can help protect them and their habitats by supporting conservation efforts. And there you have it, our amazing journey through the world of bears. Bears are like living legends in the wild, and they teach us about the beauty and challenges of nature. Whether it's the power of a grizzly, the adaptability of a polar bear, or the charm of a panda bear, each one plays a vital role in our ecosystem. Remember, young animal lovers and adventure seekers, bears are a symbol of the wild spirit that lives in all of us. Keep exploring, keep learning about these incredible creatures, and keep protecting the beautiful world they call home. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational adventures with us. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure today, my young friends. Until next time, keep the spirit of the wilderness alive in your hearts, keep connecting with nature, and keep cherishing the remarkable bears of our world. Goodbye, young animal lovers and adventure seekers.